Welcome back to Adventures with Rosy. Bit of a tech DIY video today. We are upgrading our control node in our Jayco caravan. We are putting in the BMPRO ControlNode 103, and this has the SmartConnect technology in it, which allows us to use all the smart sensors from BMPRO. Let's get stuck into it. Well, if you're new to the channel, welcome along. My name's Bronson. My wife Chelsea and I and our 3 children, we live full-time in this Jayco journey caravan I'm sitting in right now. We are traveling around New Zealand. We're probably, by the time you see this, 4 months into our adventure. We've taken a year off, year minimum, and we're traveling New Zealand. We're slowing things down a bit, spending more time with the kids, that sort of thing, and just having a pretty cool adventure along the way. This Jayco journey caravan, 19-foot bunk model, like I said, this was made in 2019, and it was shipped with the BMPRO battery management system under the bed, and it has the ControlNode 102 in it, version 102. This new one I've got here is the 103. So the guys at BMPRO reached out to me and said, hey, do you want to try the 103 control node and also the sensors? BMPRO now do a range of different sensors, like the smart temp here, measuring temperatures. They have a smart sense sensor which goes up under your LPG, your gas bottle, and measures the level of your gas bottle, which is pretty cool. And they also have sensors to measure tire pressures in your caravan. All of these pair up to the ControlNode 103 and then to an app on your phone, so basically you can get alerts if you're losing tire pressures, if you're running out of LPG, and you can monitor temperatures inside your caravan. This could be in your fridge, in your freezer, something like that. So get alerts around that. So we're going to upgrade our current control node and put this new one in and give these sensors a play. Installation, pretty straightforward. Basically what you do is turn your battery system off. You then unplug the couple of plugs on the top left, and any of your tank monitors you've got, plug them back into the same places on the new control node, switch it on, and you're good to go. Alright, so in terms of installing and setting up these sensors, or pairing them I guess you'd say, rather than read the manual, I thought I'd just follow my nose and see how I get on. I've used the J-Hub app before for monitoring our tanks and that sort of thing. So we'll go down the bottom of the app to SmartConnect. This is a smart sense. Add, select a gas bottle size, 8.5 kgs, pair. Hold the sync button on the sensor, let's hold that. Oh cool, it's paired. It says it's got 0%. Oh, of course it does, because it's in my hand. What am I saying? Okay, I'm going to run outside, pop it under the gas bottle, and see if that 0% changes to however full the gas bottle is. That was pretty straightforward. I just popped it on. That sensor magnets underneath the bottom of the gas bottle. It's got a couple of strong magnets on it. Sticks up on the bottom. And I come back in and it says it's 50% full. So pretty cool little icon there. You can see how full your gas bottle is. Pretty awesome. Let's try the smart temp sensor. This is the temperature one. I guess I go add, select the sensor location, let's pop it in the fridge, pair, tap the pair button, maybe hold it down. Ah, sweet, easy as that. 24 degrees in the fridge. Well, not in the fridge, in my hand. How cool is that? Right, I'm going to lean over and throw it in the fridge. Put it next to the beer, and we'll give that a second, see if it updates and cools down. Pretty awesome so far. In terms of the tire pressure ones, these are quite cool. You basically just pair them wherever they are. So I'm going to put one on the left front, one on the right front. So you basically just select the tire, right front, pair, and then it'll pair with the device that's already on. You've got a little tool to screw it onto the thread of the tire, and then they just pair up, which is pretty awesome. Alright, fridge is cooling down now. Awesome. Okay, what a cool little system. Kind of cool to be able to monitor everything from one place, because especially the gas for me. The amount of times I've been out in the middle of the night and had to turn the gas or switch the bottles over because one's empty, the fridge is flashing away, and I'm wondering what's going on. So yeah, that's awesome. It's a cool little system. Always nice to put a bit more tech into your caravan, and monitoring the tire pressures will be quite handy. There are 2 sensors. I've got 2 of them in the pack I've got, and this is a twin axle caravan, so I'll just put one on each side, and that should be kind of plenty to let me know if something's going on. But yeah, pretty cool little system. I should just also say that I'm not being paid in any way by BMPRO. They did send me this kit for free. They watch our videos. Hi guys. They're fans of the channel, and they decided to send me the kit out for free. So I wasn't going to say no to free tech in the caravan. I love installing things like this, or doing DIY in the caravan. And it's kind of cool to be able to monitor everything from one place, one app. Your tanks, battery, now for me, gas, tire pressures, temperature of the fridge, and that sort of thing. Yeah, cool little system. Neat little gadgets. They seem to work well. These tire pressure sensors seem really well made. They're quite sturdy. The magnets on that thing underneath on the gas bottle seem pretty good. I was wondering, would that potentially vibrate and fall off? The way our gas bottles sit, there's like a bracket anyway that the bottle sits on, so the sensor slides in between that, and it sits quite snug. So I don't think the sensor's going anywhere. Obviously, if you wanted to monitor both gas bottles, you'd need 2 sensors, and then you just pair them on the app and name them left and right. Same with the tire pressures. You could probably monitor your tire pressures on your car at the same time as well. But yeah, cool little system. Thanks guys at BMPRO, appreciate you sending me out free stuff. If you like this video and you want to see sort of like more DIY, but I guess like weekly videos as well, travel videos around New Zealand, then come join us on the adventure. We are just getting started. We've got so much cool stuff to see in the next year down here in the South Island of New Zealand. It's a beautiful place so far. It's really blowing our mind. And if you kind of like just want to follow more of the lifestyle and see what we're up to, then yeah, subscribe below. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram as well, and I'll see you in a week's time in the next video. Thanks for watching.